Hello everyone, it's Kim with Vintage Vikings and welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas Eve. Um, Thanks for coming back and checking out my advent calendars, my 24 days of stationery, countdown to Christmas, because here we are, the final day, day 24, December 24th. The day Santa's coming tonight, and people will be preparing for Christmas Day tomorrow. I believe Hanukkah starts tomorrow, as well as Kwanzaa. If I'm wrong, please let me know if I got it wrong. I always forget to look it up once I walk out of my cutting room. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. It's been great to spend a few minutes every day with you checking out these two stationery boxes that were all over Facebook, Instagram, TikTok during the months of October and November. And I thought I would order one for myself, and then I was surprised with one as a gift. If you want to get more information about how this all started out, just go back to the very first one. It was day 1 and 2, and then I popped on every day just for a quick video on what's in each one of the boxes. And it's been fun to watch them unfold, see what we're getting, and to see just how much they're nothing like what was advertised. Anyway, and then tomorrow will be Christmas. So I'm going to take the day off and just eat and spend time with my family, play some games, and then on Boxing Day I'll come back, and I think I'm going to empty these out completely because I'm going to reuse these boxes and all the little packets or envelopes or whatever you want to call them, and do something with them, maybe a giveaway next Christmas, or we'll see. But anyway, since I have 2 of them, I've got some options that I can do. Anyway, let's get started. Alrighty, we're going to do day 24. It's Christmas Eve. I bet everybody is anxious and ready for the holiday to actually be here. I know we celebrate all month long, but tomorrow is the big day. All right, so day 24 of Francesca's box is absolutely nothing. There is nothing on day 24. Let's see if maybe, oh wait, maybe this, okay, I just looked in the bottom of the box, and up against the wall there were these. Okay, alrighty, can you see those? They're 2 gold paper clips that look like leaves, which go with the theme of the woodland side. So these just fell out, so I take it back. It was not empty. There were 2 they could be fire, they could be leaves, could be bushes. You can use them for whatever you want to use them for. So there we go, day 24 of the Francesca Woodlands box. Alrighty, and we are almost done with our advent calendar countdown, and I'm so thankful that you guys came along with me on this. It's been fun every day to not just do them by myself, but to have you guys come with. So alrighty, here is day 24 of Stephanie's box. Doesn't sound like there's anything in here. Oh, and here we go with pink washi tape. This is the same as the green one yesterday, but this is just a nice bubblegum pink, about the same size, but bubblegum pink. So there you have it, guys. We got all the way to the end. What do you think of what's in these? Did you guys get one of these? Now, you want to come back on Boxing Day, which is the 26th, and I'm going to go through and just kind of a little compare and wrap this whole little series up before I start getting into doing some more tutorials and some journal flip throughs. So I wanted to just say thank you very much for spending the entire month of December with this countdown. It's been fun. I hope you enjoyed it. It's not been very long, just a couple minutes every day, and we will see you on Boxing Day. You all have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, a joyous Kwanzaa, and take time to celebrate however you like to celebrate. and just find a little bit of joy over the next few days. And I will see you guys on Boxing Day. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Bye, everyone.